All right, it's everybody's favorite Uncle Buddy, also known as the Sky Pirate. This weekend, Shell and I took a little impromptu trip to Colorado Springs just to get away from everything. Forget your troubles, come on, get happy. And anyway, we did that. I got a little bit of drone footage and some still shots. I didn't really do a whole lot like I wanted to. Colorado is pretty much a national park, and it's illegal to drone in national parks. We did see a lot of great sights, had a lot of fun. Go yourself. If you want to see what I saw, go yourself, because it is much more magnificent up close and personal. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Enjoy our video, what I have gotten. I know it's not that great, but it is still beautiful up there. And have a great day. Uncle Buddy, Aunt Shell, we love every one of you, and we hope to see y'all real soon. Have a good night. Bye-bye now.